So this just gives you a layout of the park area. Like over here, you got swimming pool, shooting range, horse stables. I don't know what Denkmal is. Friedhof is cemetery. Parkplatz is parking lot. Haltestelle is I think it's a bus stop. Wirtschaft. I'm not sure what that is, but it has a wine glass. So it must be over here.
Yeah, right here.
Is
maybe
must be
the
like
seating area to have a drink or something?
Either a picnic area or drink or something. Like there's tennis courts. It's probably a restaurant.
And football.
Yeah, soccer, tennis.
Wait, how do you say that?
Stuttgarter Rundwandergerweg. Standort Birkenkauf. Our Deutsch is not good.
We try. It's funny.
Yep. Like, is that the hospital symbol? So here we are on top of Rubble Hill. So here's the top of the hill. And we'll just take some footage from the top with the GoPro and see how see what the difference looks like between the two, my phone and a GoPro.